Steve pulling up with his bumper ripped off.
Well, Thomas Miata here, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share that video, and we're getting right into the action here. Apparently, Steve, as I showed up, just put his car right into the wall a little bit. Tell us a little bit about this deal.
6.0 LS1 injectors, big ass radiator, all connected to the ZF 5-speed 3.64 differential out of a 2005 ZHP.
Awesome. PMC kit on that. Shout out to Drift HQ. And this is a Send It Mobile now, bud. Damn that shit. What are you doing? No latchy. Dummy.
Thank you.
You listen to what I tell you.
I got it.
Left 3.
You're not allowed to hit the wall without me here.
Shut.
I latched it.
Oh.
I did it on film.
I just jumped up and was like, oh, a latch.
You just jumped on it for no reason.
Oh, that's awesome.
Website is called Tires and Turbines. We've been producing some awesome content. We're looking for help with video, you know, but I'll tell you what, this drift stuff, I think it's a really, really good crowd, and every time I come here, I like it more.
Good time, man. We're all just trying to have fun, you know? Yeah.
Everybody here, man, it's like, you know, it's more laid back and more of a party.
Oh, yeah. I am Thomas.
I want your stuff.
Hey, Possum Man.
How you doing?
What's your gram and whatnot?
Big Al 4323.
How many events you got under your belt?
2.5 years doing stuff with this car. Not many, probably only like 20, 25.
That's not bad. If you have anything like in car or whatever from today, if you want to just throw me like 1 or 2 of the best clips, I could throw it in the video too.
the motor's Audi 5-cylinder turbo out of a 93 Audi S4. Basically, it's the same motor that Audi ran in their Group E rally cars.
Nice.
Putting out 572 at 35 pounds of boost.
You said 572?
Yep.
Wow.
At 35 pounds, and it's only a 2.2 liter. Got a custom adapter plate with a BMW diesel transmission behind it. Factory Lexus SC300 just welded in the back. All the fab work was custom made by me in-house. Motor work was done by my brother and I. And my tuner, Mark from EFI Express in New Hampshire, did an amazing job on the tune, making it reliable so I can beat on it.
Hell yeah, it sounds awesome, dude. It sounds really good.
Appreciate it, bro.
Good shit. Thanks for the ride along. What's good? Started raining, guys. Slip and slide out there. Taking pictures. AJG Media, get on it. And this guy.
Matsuri Media, Jason, that's me.
All right.
I'm here with this guy, just first time out. Jonathan Steve.
We made a little hop, skip, and a jump to the other media tent. What's good? Shout it out. What's your gram?
Shell.media.
STLLTNDR. Still tender.
We're gonna go check out the line. NoFX.com. What's good, man?
Ian.JDM.
Howdy.
I have an ST1.
I'm gonna run all the way up to the flagger station.
Yes, sir.
Good shit.
Needs a new control arm, tie rod on the front right. Right here, she's bent. See the weld snap. I have another tie rod and control arm. It's tough to drive with no angle with a Mustang, man.
You'll get it
was a
fixed.
fun run.
You'll be back out here.
Oh yeah,
There's
for
always
sure.
next time. What's up, dude? I made a couple good runs. Looks like he made the choice for you. You're killing it, dude. Good job. good time?
All the time.
You get to drift under the lights, man. It's awesome. Yeah. Shout out your Instagram or whatever.
I'm good. So anyways, if not, we're gonna send it either way. Hi, David.
This car feels good.
It's not bad.
Yo,
Inches?
you got like 4 inches maybe. You're close, bro.
You're
Like, that
probably
was-
in the top 5 of the people doing the runs here. Are you okay? Hey, hold on. Wait. Sorry. Bad luck, dude. It's 9:10. 30 minutes or less, so the pizza's free.
It's the wrong side, bro. God.
Gotta open it.
Holy, that could have been bad, huh?
That ain't the first time I did that. Oh shoot, I gotta pack and get the hell out of here.
Yeah, they're about to cut the lights off on us. They got 5 more minutes of drifting. Go, 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 go. All right, there it is, guys. We are done. All right, guys, we made it back home. I hope you enjoyed that one. And I had a really good time. Hope everybody that met the wall is okay and the cars get fixed quickly. Sorry about that, guys. I think I'm a little bit of a bad luck charm on that one. Catch you on the next one. Don't forget to rate, like, subscribe, comment, share, all that stuff. You know the deal. Brittany says hi.